Hey folks, Todd Dow here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you what happened when I actually posted on the WORLDSTAR Hip Hop page. This video is not like any other video because I'm going to be revealing exactly how much it cost me to actually post on the WORLDSTAR Hip Hop and exactly what happened, and then I'm going to give you guys some good tips on how to use WORLDSTAR Hip Hop in your promotions if you're trying to grow your Instagram page. So I have this page called Minju. And on Minju, it's mainly about drop shipping stores, people who want to purchase stores with products already preloaded inside of the stores with graphics and all sorts of different things. So people actually go to my website and they purchase these drop shipping stores, and that's how this page is actually making money. But when I first started actually getting influencers, it was actually my first time buying influencers and promoting any type of Instagram page whatsoever. Up until this point, I had been doing follow, unfollow method on my own personal page, and I noticed that worked really well using a specific strategy that I'm going to be covering in future videos. So if you haven't already, if you're brand new to this YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel for any updates that I share with you guys on this YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell so you get my videos. A lot of you have been subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're not getting all of my videos. So the best way to do that is to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified exactly when a new video comes out on this YouTube channel. With that being said, folks, after I'm begging for subscribers, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know that hitting that like button on this video also helps this video reach other people who may be looking to do influencer marketing for their business, and this will help them with tips in order to not fall in the pitfalls that I did whenever I started marketing with doing influencer marketing. So as you guys already know, WORLDSTAR Hip Hop has an insane amount of followers, over 20 million followers on their Instagram page. And I was like, man, shoot, if I can just get a little small percentage of these followers to go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page, that'd be cool. I started off with a brand new Instagram account, no followers on there, and I can tell you that that was the biggest mistake that I had ever made by doing influencer marketing. Now, I'm not saying that WORLDSTAR Hip Hop doesn't have the juice. It's just a simple fact that you should have a page that has a lot more followers before you go ahead and drop on any of these bigger pages. It's actually a build-up. You need to build up to the amount of followers that you have on your page. If you have 30 followers or 100 followers on your YouTube or your Instagram page, and you go to one of these big outlets like the Shade Room or WORLDSTAR Hip Hop, it's not going to give you that exposure. It's going to give you exposure, but it's not going to give you that many followers as you're probably thinking. As a matter of fact, when I did this drop, I paid $3,000. They had a promotion at the time, and normally they have it costs $5,000. And here's a screenshot of the email of me corresponding back and forth with WORLDSTAR. Now, I had a promotion, like I said, again, $3,000 to drop on their page, and then the video is going to stay there on WORLDSTAR Hip Hop for the duration as long as WORLDSTAR Hip Hop is around on Instagram. I did have a film crew that helped me to actually create this video. It wasn't something that I just randomly did. I found another video of someone else that was actually marketing in the same fashion, and I thought that it would just take off. Here's the video that I actually used on the WORLDSTAR Hip Hop, and it did get a significant amount of views. It got over 100,000 views on their platform. However, I only generated about 45 followers from that drop. So, you know, with that being said, it was a big lesson for me to learn that you need to have a page that's built up. I mean, I highly suggest having 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 followers on your Instagram account before you go and attack these bigger pages. It's a lot better for you to go and attack smaller pages, maybe 50,000, 10,000, you know, in the beginning, in order to start building up. Because the reason why is because a lot of people won't go ahead and follow you right away or take action with what you're saying if your page is only 0, you know, no followers on there, 20 followers, 30 followers. So like, if I were to go ahead and do this all over again, if I were to say, hey man, you know, with the knowledge that I have today, spending that much money on Instagram influencers, I would say go ahead and do a follow unfollow method, but do it in a specific way. Okay, I'm giving you these tips right now before I actually create this video later on. But you want to actually follow and unfollow people who are liking posts on specific content that matches your niche. If I were to start back all over again and I were to do this whole method again, I would use the unfollow and follow method before I actually went and bought from a bigger page or done any influencer marketing whatsoever. In my research, I found a software called STEM Social that allows you to have individuals on your behalf go and follow and unfollow people, but not just any random people. They actually follow targeted people on your profile, depending on the profiles that you pick in the beginning of starting up your STEM Social account. So I happened to do a little bit of research before doing this on my personal profile, and I found that there are other websites, and at the time I was actually into just traveling and shooting footage and that whole type of vibes. And so I found other travelers or travel bloggers, and what I did was, or what the software was doing, or the people behind the software were actually going and following people who liked posts of travel bloggers, the most recent posts. They also follow people who commented on the posts of those Instagram followers, okay? That's the most targeted and active followers that you can get for the niche of whatever it is that you're trying to promote. Whatever theme page on Instagram you're trying to promote, that's the best way to do the follow method, with active, targeted followers that you can build up your page with. Once I do that, and once you do that, the best bet is to go start with smaller influencers, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000 followers. Build your page up to about 3,000, 4,000 followers, and then start climbing up the ladder and getting bigger and bigger influencers as you go. Like I said before, when I did this method, it took me a while to actually start generating followers, but I understood that I made a big mistake in the beginning. It looked cool, but it didn't result to hardly any sales in my business, but it did, in fact, build up a little bit of followers on my Instagram account. It doesn't equate to how much I spent on that platform, but it was a learning curve. It was something that I had to learn through the process. So if you're thinking about dropping your ads on the Shade Room or WORLDSTAR Hip Hop or anywhere like that, just keep in mind that you need to have followers on your page in order to make the maximum amount followers off of that Instagram influencer ad that you would drop on that platform. So if I'm being transparent with this Instagram account and also the business that I created with Minju, I actually spent over $28,000 in advertisement on Facebook, and as you can see from the screenshot, we generated $48,000 in revenue. However, if you're looking at this, it does look good. It does look like I gained about $19,000 or $18,000 in profit, but in actuality, throughout the cost of testing other Instagram influencer ads and also testing just other methods of actually marketing, I ended up being a little bit into the red. So at this point right now, I'm going to use a viral strategy right now just to test to see if I can actually start building out the page. A few weeks back, I actually posted, actually not a few weeks back, but actually a few months back, I posted a video of a younger gentleman who was talking about money and how he was actually building up a business, and I wanted to see how that video would perform on my Instagram account, and it got over 2,000 views, which is way over the normal of what I get on that page by posting on there. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna start doing viral types of content. If you wanna follow the Instagram page and see the progression of what's going on and see if I can grow it organically, I'm gonna be sharing those results and updates on this YouTube channel. So that's another reason why to subscribe and hit that notification bell to follow along with what is going to transpire by creating viral content that's already out there on the internet, reposting it and repurposing it for my business to start making sales and virally, and also growing the page organically at the same time. So if that's something you want to follow, go ahead and follow that Instagram account right there. I'm going to make another update video probably another week or 2 weeks later after using this method. So I hope you guys got some information out of this video that will help you in your journey of building out your Instagram account and actually making money with whatever it is that you're promoting. See, Instagram is something that it's so versatile, right? If you grow up a page, let's say we build a meme page and it gets to a certain point, like 100,000 subscribers, there's gonna be people reaching out to you to do shout outs on your page, okay? And they'll pay you a certain amount to do a shout out on your page, okay? And that's kind of like the whole concept of growing with viral content, okay? If you're not doing it for just meme pages, you can do it for your business. And like I said, again, I'm doing an experiment. I'm trying to see if maybe I can gear the viral content towards whatever it is that I'm promoting, which is Manjuv in my stores, then we're gonna see if it actually does yield benefit or profits. I've turned off all the ads for the Facebook ad account, for everything, okay? So this is the only way that I'm gonna be growing the page from this point for the next, I don't know, maybe a month from now. I'll go back and I'll reassess and see if this is a really good method or not, okay? Anyways, with that being said, again, smash that like button if you like this video and the content that I share with you inside this video, and go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell in order to stay up to date with the videos that come out on this YouTube channel.